nasional Onde Mau, NIM 21120225, kelas C, Informatic Engineering Study Program S1. I am student from STIKOM UYELINDO KUPANG. In this video, I will make a video resume for the social network film. The social network. The film starts in a cafe when Mark is talking to his girlfriend Erica. Erica is a woman who is patient and loyal when talking to Mark. Even though Mark is a very boring person. In the middle of the chat, Mark often said Erica by discussing his relationship with Erica and friends. Finally, Erica got angry and broke their relationship. Mark, who feels hurt because of breaking up with Erica, finally returns to the dorm and writes a blog about Erica again. After writing that blog, Mark got the idea to create a site called fudgemess.com. The site contains reviews of women on campus based on their level of sexiness. Suddenly, Mark and friend named Eduardo arrives. He intends to entertain Mark, but Mark and some of his friends intend to make a fetch site and even hack their own campus site. After being successful, the fetch site spread across campus, and after Erica read the blog that Mark wrote about herself, they feel sad and even become a victim of bullying on campus. Because the problem was Mark in court for hacking the campus site, Mark, who feels inconvenient for his action, finally gets a punishment and can even be expelled from campus. News about Mark reached the ears of her friend Connection. They invited Mark to work together to create a site, and Mark agreed to cooperate. But it didn't last long. Mark left it having Connection team and wanted to make his own application with the help of his friend Eduardo. Mark finally started to make application until on January 11, 2004, a site called the Facebook was created, but Mark felt that the application was still lacking. Mark added several features to the application. The Facebook site is spread out and everyone it ever uses it. A few days later, Mark and Eduardo meet with Sean Parker. Sean Parker is the owner of a birthday music site. He wants to wait Mark to develop the Facebook. Sean suggests Mark to change the Facebook's name to Facebook. After Facebook became popular, Mark explained Eduardo from his team because of incitement from Sean. Eduardo heard the news very angry because he had been betrayed by his best friend Mark. After a while, Mark and Eduardo reconciled and Facebook was successful. Mark reported Sean to the police and kicked him out of the Facebook team for having a drug party. Until now, Facebook is successful and is used by everyone in the world. Thank you.